This lesson, we are going to be copying files from an existing folder into a new folder. So it's going to duplicate all of the files and create a brand new folder. So go ahead and open up your script editor, and we're going to create a function. And this function is going to copy a folder from one location to another on the drive. So let's first start by selecting our folder ID, and this is going to be our initial folder. We'll make a new folder, and then we can add some content into the folder. So that's our folder that we want to use. Going into the web URL, you can get the folder ID, and then now let's select it as a folder object. Within the DriveApp service, we're going to get the folder by ID. And this is where we can specify the folder ID in order to select the folder itself. And you can make sure that you do have the folder object properly by selecting the logger folder. So that should give us the folder that we've just created and we've selected. So what we want to do is we want to copy the folder. So new name that we want to use for the folder. So just give it my name. And then let's create a new folder. And again, using the DriveApp service, we can create a folder. And then this is just, it's just going to require the one parameter, which is string value for the name of the folder. So we want to get all of the files in the original folder. So this is where we're gathering all of the file objects from the folder, and we do the getFiles. And then we can iterate through while files has next. So it is an iterator, so that's why we can use the next. And when it runs out, then it won't have a next value, and it'll end the while loop. So we can select the file under the files next, which will return the next file and remove it from the iteration. And then within the file, we can make a copy of the file. So we've got the file using the get name. We'll get the name of the file, we'll make a copy of it, and then to place it into the new folder, we need to have the destination of where we're making the file copy. And this actually should be has next. Otherwise, it's removing the file out of the iteration. So let's update that, and we'll try it one more time. And as we run through, so it should create another folder. Same name, Laurence, and this time it was able to copy both of the files that were in that original source folder. So that's how you can create a new folder, and copy over the files from an existing folder into the new folder.